everyone, my name is Giselle Cordova, and for today's video, I am going to share to you my knowledge about how our heart responds to exercise. First, I am going to share to you how our heart responds when we start exercising. So as an individual continues to exercise, the CO2, the blood pressure, and the muscle movement increases. So probably the CO2 will be monitored by its receptor, which is called the chemoreceptor, and the blood pressure will be monitored by the baroreceptor, and the muscle movement will be monitored by its proprioceptor. As these receptors detect changes from the CO2, the blood pressure, and the muscle movement, it will then send an impulse to the brain, particularly in the medulla oblongata. And then this medulla oblongata will send an impulse to the sympathetic nervous system, and now the heart rate will start to increase. It will beat per minute to sustain more oxygen to the body. Now let's proceed on how our heart responds when we stop exercising and start resting. As the person stops to exercise, the CO2, the blood pressure, and the muscle movement will probably decrease. Their respective receptors will now detect that they are decreasing, and so these messages will be passed in the brain, which is in the medulla oblongata, and the medulla oblongata will send an impulse to the parasympathetic nervous system, and now the heart rate starts to decrease. Then the heart rate now returns to the normal beating. That's all for today's video. I hope that you learned something and see you next time!